In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Notion database. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your life, managing projects, and collaborating with others. Sometimes, however, you may find that your database is locked, preventing further editing or access by other users. This can happen for various reasons, such as admin settings or shared access limitations. So, let's explore how you can unlock your Notion database smoothly and efficiently. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account and have navigated to the page where your desired database is located. Once you've opened the appropriate page, you'll likely see a bar at the top of your database indicating its locked status. It's crucial to recognize this bar, as it is the gateway to unlocking the database. To begin the unlocking process, look for the option that says Unlocked located above your database. It might take a moment to spot, especially if you're new to Notion's interface, but this step is significant as it signals whether the database is ready to be edited or not. When you click on Unlocked above, the next step is straightforward. Just beneath this option, you will see another button which says Unlock for me, or Unlock for everyone. It's vital to decide who should have access. If you're the only one currently working on this database and only need access for yourself, then clicking Unlock for me is the ideal choice. This way, you ensure that your changes and edits can be made without restrictions, while still maintaining control over the database's sharing settings. On the other hand, if you're working in a collaborative environment where your team members also need access to this database, then Unlock for everyone would be the more appropriate option. By selecting this, you'll enable your colleagues or collaborators to view, edit, and add information as needed. This is especially useful in team projects where open communication and collaboration are key to success. After you've made your selection by clicking one of these options, your database will be unlocked according to the access level you chose. This will immediately allow you and your team to continue working and managing data seamlessly. It's always a good idea to verify that the unlocking was successful by attempting to make an edit, ensuring everything is functioning as expected. By following these steps, you'll have your Notion database unlocked in no time, making it accessible to you and your team. Remember, whether you're unlocking for just yourself or everyone, confirming the access is crucial to maintaining productivity and smooth collaboration. If you encounter any issues or require further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Notion support resources or reach out to your admin if you're working in a shared workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.